This is Carwen, one of the 2 community electric cars we have placed in Bethesda and Abergynolwyn. In this video, we will show you how to drive the car. The first step is opening the car. To do this, hold your co-wheel smart card against the sensor on the windscreen for a few seconds, until the green light flashes. These are the car pedals. On the right you have your accelerator, in the middle is your brake, and on the left is the handbrake. To start the car, press down on the brake and press the start button, which is in the middle of the car. There are no gears in an electric car, only drive, reverse and park. To put it in drive, use the toggle and pull it across and then down. To put it in reverse, pull the toggle across and then up. If you don't want to move, press the P button to put it in park. If you want the car to move, make sure it's either in drive or reverse. To release the handbrake, press down on the pedal until it clicks and then lift it back up slowly. And there we are. You'll only need the accelerator and the brake whilst driving. To lift the handbrake, press the pedal down to the floor. The pedal will stay down. To turn the car off, press the start button. To lock the car, hold your co-wheel smart card against the sensor on the windscreen for a few seconds. For more information about the Community Electric Car project, or to watch more of our how-to videos, go to our website www.arloesygynedwledig.wales.